How small is this update?
Small to
This is
medium
so
update.
small, Mark. We shouldn't even release it.
Yeah. Max, you want to take this one?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so just so you guys, so prefacing this, localization is not coming in this update. So that you guys who a lot of you have been hoping for language translations, what we're doing is going to be doing a mix of crowdsourcing and paid translations. We're going to use a platform called Crowdin to allow our community members to sort of input the translations for our more nuanced items in the game, things like, vehicle names or descriptions like, when you read a tooltip on a weapon that says like increased chance to penetrate armor, we don't want to leave that sort of thing up to a localization company because they're not going to understand the context of the game. So our solution to that was to use Crowdin, which is used by a lot of other indie titles for solving those issues. But we're going to pay for the first round of translation for all of the like menu, the HUD, the UI, all the really basic stuff that's done in code, so that at least we're not starting from zero. But going back to that original point, the main takeaway here is this is not coming in update 47. We are just beginning to source localization the localization and the translations for the game starting soon. I will be posting messages in the Discord looking for volunteers who might be interested. But as soon as we have the first round of translations done, I'll start going through and trying to find some people to give us a hand. And then hopefully by update 48, we should have at least a mostly translated game.
Cool. All right. I guess we are ready for one last point here.
We have a special guest joining us.
A special guest joining us. Which
special guest, please join us.
Yes.
It's Matt's cat.
It's Sushi. Actually, I don't know where she is. Hello, special guest.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good. Please activate
Show
your
us
camera.
Activate your face.
Yeah, turn on your face.
Yes.
How's it going?
Good.
All right. So this is Alkas, for those that might not know. I am with the R2 team. R2 team, we have a small team inside the studio, and we've been working already at some server-side technology. Essentially, we're very, very happy with what we've been able to do with Foxhole. We started with 32 or 64 players, and we've been able to push it to 250 players these days, and we want to keep pushing that number. But we're really excited about really making massive battles, taking it to the next level. So for any new title that we want to work on, we want to start with a minimum of around 1,000 players on the same region. So that's what we've been working on with the R2 team. We've been working on some server-side technology to make that possible. We already ran some tests with the community. Thanks again to everyone that participated. This is the Red River demo that we did, and it was super exciting. It was like incredible to see all these people. The server, for the most part, held up. A couple crashes, but it was a good proof of concept. And we took that and we said, okay, let's build some gameplay on top of this. And that was the Anvil tech demo. We added like building structures, resource gathering, that kind of stuff. And this is all running with the R2 engine, our custom server technology. So we're able to kind of like get some idea like how that might work out. So for the next phase of the Anvil project, we're still naming it Anvil for now, but that's to be determined. But we want to kind of bring all the gameplay and the technology together and do a pre-alpha for a larger scale test, kind of like pursue it as a real game. So if you want to stay updated on the R2 engine and the project Anvil, go to discord.r2engine.com. We'll be sure to post updates there. You don't need to do anything else. We had some Steam keys, everything before, but don't worry about those now. we'll post everything you need to do onto the Discord. So yeah, thanks for your time. That's we just want to give you guys a small update on that front.
Can you?
Yeah. So the big. Oh,
Sorry, I was just gonna say, could we get like just a 2-second explanation of what like Project Anvil is? Because there are people in the chat that don't even know what they're signing up for.
Yeah, so Project Anvil is kind of a medieval empire building game with kind of like Foxhole idea of a persistent war, where you have to worry about farming, resource gathering, making alliances, and it will be running on our new R2 engine that supports up to 1,000 people on the same server. And for the pre-alpha, I think I forgot to mention the pre-alpha. We want to run the first test this December, so make sure to sign up if you want to get more details on that front. Am I forgetting anything?
I
You
think
can
that's
be
it.
eaten by a wolf.
I think
In
that's good. Yeah, they're
You
wolves.
can, if you want to experience the
If
attack
you
of a wolf.
if
Yeah,
you like
how
Foxhole
to get eaten by a wolf.
and you like medieval stuff, and you like certain elements about Foxhole, like fictional world, blah 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 blah, Logi, this might be something to check out.
Yeah.
Great. So going back to here, Dev Branch again starts tomorrow, and we are gonna do a Q&A thread for update 47 after the stream. Like, just give us half an hour to an hour. We'll get that thread up, and you can ask questions just like we did for the last update. And that's about it.
Awesome.